Good afternoon, traders. Thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at a bunch of charts here. Hopefully, you're going to be able to make some moves off of these charts, and we're going to give you some analysis and our thoughts. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the home page, and you can start your 100% free 7-day trial. All you need to do is enter in your name and your email address, and you're going to get instant access today. No payment information is required at all, and you're going to take advantage of all of the member features like the daily precise watch lists, member videos, both to help you prepare for the market day ahead. We're also live on the HD audio and video feed during the market hours, as well as the live webinars to help you prepare in the market, and the education never stops. And we have a great opportunity where you're able to profit while you learn, because it is a classroom setting, and we're also giving you these profitable trade alerts in the meantime while you're learning. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest that you take advantage of it. All right, so let's get into these charts here. First, want to take a look at the gold chart. I'm going to just cut to the weekly really quick, do a review. If you've been following along, you know how I've been feeling about gold ever since we were down here at about 115. I liked gold for a long, and it has worked out fantastically. So we broke over this out of this 3-year channel here. This goes back all the way to 2013. Got rejected several times, and then we broke out of it right here. Here's the bottom end of that channel right down here. We broke out of it. We are heading higher currently. All right, now moving towards the daily chart. We broke out of this little bull flag right here off of this candle right here. We broke out of the downtrend line right here, as well as over this resistance line of these two highs right there. Then we came down here and we retested this support, and I mentioned that in the last video I did on gold, and we got a really nice bounce from there so far. We've also got this uptrend line right here. A few touches down here, a touch here, 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 and it's grinding up against it. We got another touch here, and 2 touches right here. We've also got a gap to fill up here on gold, and I think that's going to fill sometime in the near future. As far as resistance goes, we've got about resistance at about 123.60 up here. If we clear that, we're going to come and tag the next level up here at about 125. Next chart I want to take a look at is silver. Another bullish chart here. Overall, really clean patterns here. This is the weekly chart going back to all the way 2011 is where this downtrend line started. We've got several touches here, and then it finally broke over it here. We've also got a shorter term downtrend line, but also a very major downtrend line, as it was valid for about 2.5 years since the middle of 2013. We broke over that over here, so it's still a breakout on the weekly time frame, but on the daily chart we're at support right now at about 1610. If we close below 1610, then we're going to come down here and we're going to fill this gap at about 1545. I suspect that we're going to get a bounce. If we do come down to 1545, then we're going to get a bounce somewhere between 1545 to about 1525 on a retest of this uptrend line right here for silver. Next chart I want to look at is oil, and oil has been working out well for us. We've been bullish for a while on oil, and we're just going to update you on this chart. We broke over the downtrend line over here. We broke over it on this candle right here, and like I mentioned in the last video we did on oil on USO, We mentioned that we were most likely going to get a bounce from this support, and we did just that. And we hit these highs up here at about 1144. That is the resistance. So we've got from these highs over here, as you can see, a few candles there, and as well as this candle here. This candle here was not able to close above that level, and then the high of this candle and this candle. So we've got about resistance, a dollar range right here for USO. Resistance 1144 and support at 1064. Next, I want to cover natural gas via UNG. We broke over this downtrend line, several touches here, 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 and here again, and then we broke over it with this candle right here, and then we came back down to retest this uptrend line, and this is a really nice uptrend line as we've got two touches here, almost a touch here, 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 here. Okay, so it's a nice uptrend line to play with. In order to remain bullish on natural gas, I really want to see this uptrend line hold. If this uptrend line does not hold, I'm no longer going to like natural gas for long. With that said, I do think that it heads higher. So we've got the support from the uptrend line. Next major support I see lower is about 650 or so. And the resistance up here is going to be about 706. Okay, 706 from the highs of these two candles here and this candle as well over here. We've got a gap to fill up here at about 728. And I do think that natural gas heads higher. Next, I want to cover the dollar via UUP, Power Shares US Dollar Index Bullish Fund. I do think that we're coming up to, not I think, but we are coming up to some heavy resistance for the dollar. As you can see, we bottomed out here. It found support several times, and then we broke through these levels right here on this candle here. We're coming up here, and as you can see, it got rejected up here. A shooting star doji candle right here. I believe that we can potentially come up here to tag this 2460-ish level, and that'll coincide also with the downtrend line that we have right here, and I believe that that will be the highest that the dollar will go in the near term. I do think that the dollar is going to be heading down from here, and we'll see what happens. We'll keep on updating you with these videos. Again, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the home page. Start your 100% free 7-day trial. The only thing we need from you is the name and your email address, and you're going to be able to get instant access to all of the member-only features, live webinars, live screen share and audio video feed throughout the day, and we walk you through all of the trades. All questions are answered in real time. No one is left behind. We also give you the great opportunity of profiting while you learn, because we're giving you those profitable trade alerts while also teaching you how to trade on your own. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you.